I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a thinking and application question for you. If x plus 1 over x equals to 2, find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Well, here is a hint for you. You can apply this formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And then get the answer. I hope that helps. So you can try to solve it now and then look into my suggestion. So well, here is the solution. Let's apply the formula. To apply the formula, what we have to do is, let's rewrite the question, which is x plus 1 over x equals to 2. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to square both sides, left side as well as the right side. So if I square it, what do I get? I get x squared, that is applying the formula, right? Or you can multiply x plus 1 by x by itself, expand and simplify. You get x squared plus 2 times ab, which is number 2 itself, plus b squared, which is 1 over x squared. This should be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Now from here, if I subtract 2 from both sides, right? At this stage, if I do take away 2 from both sides, what do I get? I get x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 4 minus 2, right? Which is equal to 2. Therefore, x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 2, right? So I get this value as equal to 2 as my answer. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.